Here's a cool video of a custom sound set that a customer of mine made for the Flash Gordon pinball machine. I'll show you the setup here that I have on the board. I've got the dip switch 1 merge off, the next 3 sound bank 0. He put his sounds at 0. Relays are on, but I don't have anything connected. A tract is on, and the game is set at number 2, which is Flash Gordon. I've got all the volume knobs set about 2 o'clock. The background is backed off just a little bit. About every 5 minutes when the attract is turned on, I've got this custom sound that comes up. Let's go into a game with the custom sounds.
Fantastic.